Good morning to all. I am Bhavana Ani Saju of Class 10 from Marymount Public School, Katachira. Today I am here to share some of my thoughts on the topic the need of yoga during a pandemic. Yoga has been proven beneficial to our physical and mental health since many years. It becomes extremely necessary in the purview of a pandemic disease named COVID-19. Pandemic means a disease globally affected. During this ongoing coronavirus pandemic, when we are all bound to live a restricted life under the constant fear of infection risk, it is natural for anyone to develop anxiety. The continuous flow of negative news, the inadequacy of daily resources, everything is adding to this growing anxiety and depression. Being confined at home for such long periods of time can be mentally challenging for us. When our mind is flooded with the uncertainty of future, we often experience sleepless nights causing fatigue. Many of us are unable to relax our mind during this time, thereby increasing the stress on our minds. To live through this lockdown and pandemic period, yoga is the best thing to adopt as a lifestyle habit. It helps us build a strong physical, mental, and spiritual health system. When combined with breathing and meditation, it acts as the best element to take care of our mind, body, and soul. A pandemic disease is long running and persisting long time with remissions and exacerbations where the patient is thrown to a sedentary life. He is compelled to follow specific treatment with immune boosters and exercises, yoga that provide relaxation to mind and body. In a chronic patient with blood pressure, diabetes will be accelerated by stress produced by sympathetic nerve overactively. In such conditions, yoga and asanas are helpful to calm our mind and body. In case of coronavirus, it has special affinity to create a damage to our upper respiratory and lower respiratory tract, mainly lung alveoli. Hence, proper oxygen transfusion is hindered, thereby proper oxygen saturation in our blood is deranged. The important point is that a person practicing yoga with breathing exercises may not even end up with such fatal calamities. Let me conclude. In any of the prolonged diseases, our general health should be maintained by meditation, yoga and physical exercises, proper nutritious foods and vitamins. This itself will give us immunity to fight against infectious diseases. A good mind in a good physique is a proverb in our routine life that will provide a healthy longevity. Thank you.